Let's get into this article from Investor Business Daily. Cathie Wood is cashing out of Tesla stock. Cathie Wood and her ARK Invest firm cashed in on their Tesla stock holdings this past Monday as the EV giant advanced for 12 straight days and has advanced 130% so far this year. As of June 30th, Tesla stock is the top holding in the ARK investment with a weighted average of 12% in ARK-K, 8% in ARK-W, and 15% in ARK-Q. Woods has been buying up Tesla on the cheap throughout 2023 before selling big on Monday. She bought and spent $29 million buying 190,000 shares back in April 26 after the Tesla stock sank following a downgrade. She also jumped in on April 20th when she purchased $40 million worth of Tesla when it dropped following Tesla's Q1 earnings. Wow, she's a baller. On March 8th, Tesla slipped 3% and she scooped up $12 million worth of shares. They also grabbed a hefty share of Tesla stock on January 3rd after the shares plummeted 12% that day. Cathie does it right. Buy low, sell high, right? Wood funds have purchased more than 1.3 million shares so far in 2023 and now have sold 660,000 shares. Now, Wood's ARK Invest predicts that Tesla will reach 2K by 2027, and the theme being the autonomous robo-taxi business. ARK also believes Tesla sales in 2027 will be between 10 million and 20 million vehicles with massive revenue from autonomous driving. So Cathie's saying, ring the register. Tesla is up 14%, or was up 14% last week. Shares are more than 30% above the 240-week moving average. And it's the most extended since November of 2021 when the stock market hit its peak. So let's go to the charts just to kind of see if we're seeing the same thing as Cathie Wood's. Let's start with the monthly chart, and we can see that price has and will breach at this rate this up trend line, which was support, became resistance, and now should serve as support once again. On the monthly chart, we could close the gap at really $6, $7 higher. That's very possible. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. And this is the gap that I was referring to, which is, again, about $8 higher. But if you look at the weekly chart, you can see 1, 2, 3 gaps in a row. Price is really extended. You know, your 13 and your 26 moving averages are $70 away from current price. Let's go to the daily chart. And this is what the article is referring to. This is the 200-day moving average, and it's sitting around $200, right? $60 from the current price. When it comes to RSI, we're sitting at 87. We reached the high of 88 just a day or two ago. You know, I would love to see a pullback to the 230. I think it's unrealistic to say that price is going to pull back all the way down to 200. Uh, the sentimental fundamentals, technicals are just too bullish for a $50 stock decline. Again, this is that gap fill, $8 higher. So we could hit that. However, Cathie has played Tesla to the T. She was buying. She brought in January. She brought in March. She brought in April. And now she's just taking some off the table, which is how you do it. But her selling would be an indication to, if you are in Tesla, to take some off the table as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.